Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing some items I got from the store today. No. So first we have the baby brand series from Sylvanian families. Anyways, there's nothing I can use to open it, so I got this scissors. Anyways, I'm going to cut it. That was smooth. Anyways, who did I get? It's right in here. Let's see. It doesn't want to open. I need the scissors. It doesn't want to open. What's this? What did I get? Me just ripping it apart. I got, it's a piano and it's a dog. Guys, I don't know actually. We got piano. Guys, I'm so confused. What the? I do not understand. Guys. Oh. I know. I got what number did I get? I got number 6. So, let's open this trash over there. Oh wait, we don't need scissors, we just need the I did it. So, it's like blue and pink. Do you see it? It's so really cute. I think. Hold up. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna figure out. It's a baby outdoor series. You can see the characters. I really want this one, but we don't know what it looks like, so we can't hope for that. It's okay. Anyways, let's open it. I'm just gonna open it like a monster. The way I opened it. Are you for real? I got a duplicate. See, I already have this one. I already have it. I'm so sad. But I kind of. But at least I can give it to someone, right? I don't want a duplicate. It doesn't want to open. Okay, this is the items. Let's get the hat and the spike out. I'm kind of disappointed. If I didn't get this one, I would want the one that has a fish. This one. But I got, what's the number again? I forgot the number. Number 5. Anyways, let's assemble it, I guess. I just don't want a duplicate. I'm not looking for duplicates. I'm looking for new. Well, anyways, here it is. Anyways, look what I found at the store. It's a Hello Kitty crab cookies. It's her family. So there's her dad, her mom, Hello Mimi, and Hello Kitty. So anyways, I'm just gonna open this. That's just my mom, guys, don't worry. Hi, can you close the door? No. Yes. It's okay, guys. I don't care. After. She asked me to charge her phone. I said after. I ate one. Let's see Hello Kitty. I like this. It's like vanilla flavor. I kind of want chocolate. I don't like vanilla that much. I totally assembled it again. Anyways, we have Kinder Joy. I haven't ate this for a while, but I know I'm not gonna use the toy, but who cares? I'm gonna use the scissors to open it. My mom just came in to turn on the AC. I keep looking at it. Now, hold up. Oh, I'm not wearing pants, but that's what it looks like. Let's eat the fruit first. Guys, do you know why it looks like this? Because I don't like it. I like the Anyways, let's get the food out. This is my favorite part. I used to only eat this. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this actually. Ready? Still yummy. I still prefer the plastic one. This is like cardboard. You know it's cardboard? Because I don't know. I haven't tasted this for a while. This is what it looks like. Yum. I like it. But I'll probably finish it after the video. Last thing is this Yuppie aquarium. Aquarium Yuppie, what is this? I don't want to ruin it because then I can save it. It smells so good. Here's my dad. Anyways, let me eat this. Stick it. Don't mind that, please. Just don't. I'm just gonna eat all of them. It's a turtle. Yummy. Oh. Do you guys know what this is? I don't, but I will eat it. I don't know if it's a dolphin or a whale horse. Or is it a shark? I don't know, but octopus. I ate the whole thing. Well guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share. Bye!